Hello everyone, I am Seema Rathod. My project ID is PROJ_EAP_3. My team members are Sneha Danan, Vipul Kumar Sinha, and Sushma M. The project title is Determination of Money Denomination and Card. Abstract. After demonetization, the visually impaired person have found it really difficult to identify the new currency notes. In the old currency notes, braille marking was there, which was very easy for the visually impaired to identify the notes. But in the new notes, this braille marking is in very recessive characteristics on the note and it's very difficult to identify it just by feeling it. Also, due to the advancement of the color printing technology has increased so much that the fake currency note printing and duplicating the notes has also increased, and it's really difficult to identify if the note is real or fake. So, the proposed system gives an approach to verify the Indian currency notes and read the denomination of notes and cards in audio format. It is done by concept of image processing using MATLAB. MATLAB extracts the features and required denomination of the notes and cards. External camera is used for scanning and this data is transferred to the mobile phone using a Wi-Fi module and the output is audio from the mobile. The objectives are to help the visually impaired, to make them more independent, to protect them from fraud practices such that people do not give them fake currencies instead of real currencies, to identify the denomination of the money, to identify the number on the cards such as Aadhaar card, PAN card or voter ID card, which is used very often, and also to identify the fake notes. Methodology. The steps we are going to be approaching to identify if the note is fake or real is first the image acquisition of currency note by simple digital camera. Then the image acquired is RGB converted to gray image. Edge detection of the whole grayscale image. Major characteristics of the currency is cropped and segmented. Characteristics are extracted. Intensity of each feature is calculated. If the conditions satisfied, the currency is original, else the system tells that the currency is fake. Characteristics to check the authentication of the currency note. Number 1, security threat, then serial number, then latent image, watermark, and identification mark. This is a flowchart of the approach. Image acquisition, then the image is converted to grayscale, then edge detection is performed on the image. After that, the image segmentation happens and the interest of characters are extracted. Then the calculation of intensity of each part and then the result is given. Now identification of the denomination. First, as previously done, the image is acquisited using digital camera. Then this image is pre-processed and then converted to grayscale. Edge detection is performed and the denomination is identified, and later the identified currency, the denomination is displayed. The similar approach is done to identify the card number. Acquisition of the card using digital camera, pre-processing the captured image, converting the image to grayscale, performing edge detection on the image, performing segmentation on the image and extracting the feature to identify where exactly the number is present on the image. Then audio output of the number is given. This is the flowchart. Image acquisition, image pre-processing, removing noise, template matching, feature extraction, image localization, comparison with the threshold values, identification, and audio output. The list of hardware and software used for this project are: the hardware components are as follows: camera, Node MCU, jumper wires. Software components used are MATLAB, Arduino Uno, Android Studio, Java JDK 32-bit. Results and discussion. The image shown here shows you the code for determining the fake nodes. These are some of the results obtained. In these images, the characteristics are obtained and separated based on the interest and compared. The image that is scanned and the image that has been used. This is the code to identify the denomination of the currency. Here in the result, we given the input of the scanned image and the output of the denomination is shown as recognized. Here we have given the input as a 500 rupee note and the code has identified that it is a 500 rupee note and is given the result. In future, we are also planning to work with a number of data sets to improve our results. Societal relevance. To help the visually impaired, to reduce the practices of fake currency, easy to read the numbers of interest on the cards. Expected outcome: audio output of fake currency detection, audio output of currency denomination, audio output of the card number. Here is the prototype. First, the camera takes in the image of the currency, which is sent to the external module where it processes the image. Then the output is sent to the mobile phone app, and the determination of the denomination is performed and the output is given. Also, the determination of the card number is given. Before the system identifies the denomination of the card, it identifies if the note is fake or real. If the note is fake, it stops the process and tells the person that the note they are scanning is fake. Else, it continues the process and tells if the note is real and also tells the denomination of the currency. Commercialization of the project. The project can bring potential business as it will replace the machine with a pocket device. This device can be fit into a wallet, which can be converted to a multi-purpose product. Since this device is into a wallet, the person can scan the image using his wallet and also put back the same money into his wallet without taking much of a space. The targeted users are visually disabled, small-scale and large-scale businessmen, and retail customers. At the end, I would like to conclude by saying that technology can bring a great difference in a person's life. May it be the visually impaired can give him eyes, may it be the hearing impaired persons can give them voice to be heard, and may it be the speechless, it can give them voice to be spoken. So it depends on us how great our project is. So we only hope for the best and hope that this project helps the visually impaired to the best of it can. Thank you. The next video will be the demonstration of the project of the progress of the project.